Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Straight Outta Content and Flash Custom Designs. We're here at our store and we are finally getting things done. We got Mr. Ed. We got Mr. Ed, one of Chelly's friends' husbands here. He's here with his son. He's here to help us out, put these walls up. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Look at the green wall in the back.
Looks amazing.
And what's gonna go right here, babe?
These are our panels for our vinyl. We have grid wall panels. Right here, we're trying to fill up this wall, so he's trying to figure out how much space in between, figure out where the panels go, hang those up. Down there, we're gonna have our apparel, so I need to actually go and buy those cubes so we can start putting those together.
Okay.
But we're trying to just kind of fill up this wall. Yeah, feeling good.
Yep, so we're working hard every single day. Almost done. Oh, let me show you guys the desk that I did yesterday. So you guys can see the big green wall. We're still trying to, hey baby, you know it's like washable and stuff?
What's washable?
It's washable.
What does that mean?
Look.
We can wash it off? The wall?
No. See? Scrubbable and washable.
Which means if it gets dirty, we can clean it? Or the paint will come off?
No. If it gets dirty, we can clean it.
Oh.
But that's what I'm saying. Like, you sure you don't want people to sign it? We're still trying to.
No, I told you I'm with it.
Oh, you're with people signing the wall?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be crazy. I can't wait. Let's see what else. Okay, here's the desk that I put together last night.
Which is my favorite.
Good Lord.
You can edit that out.
Anyway, so yeah, this is the desk.
Thank you, sir.
She loves it.
That. I really love it.
You like it?
Nice.
And then we just gotta put, oh, actually the computer's in that box right there.
Oh, we can put it together?
Yep.
Oh, and we need to get a strip. So I need to make a list of one.
I have a list. It's all sent in your phone.
You got the strip on the list?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on, do it.
Exactly.
Diamonds, bringing in, look at all this merch.
It's not
all
merch.
this clothing.
It's inventory. Not merch yet.
Oh yeah, inventory. Look at all our inventory. Oh, you know what? We need something back here for the inventory.
I already thought about that.
Okay.
You know, in our garage, that black shelf in the garage that you just have your cans and stuff on right here. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's gonna be a shelf to hold our inventory.
Well, what am I gonna put my stuff on?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back to that one. We're gonna come back. So she's actually gonna go get more inventory today too.
More vinyl.
Ooh.
Is that a good
comes
screen?
With the computer too, yeah. I mean, it comes with the computer. It comes with a screen too.
I think we have a better screen at home. This one looks like old.
Yeah, it is old. Good.
Or I can use one of the TV like you use.
So this would be
Here we go.
18 inches apart with centered at 3 feet.
Yeah, that's nice.
So 5.
That looks good. What do you think, babe?
No, that's perfect.
Yeah, I like it.
That's perfect.
That's pretty good amount of. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm with it. I like it. Thank you.
So much.
Yep, no problem.
That's dope.
Yeah, that is.
I might just set the camera up and just
We
let
would
it
have
roll.
never been able to do that.
No, never. Hell, I told you that's why we needed to have it done professionally. He was like, you can't do it.
I really thought we could, but
No, you're
even
tripping.
The prep is hard.
No, you're bugging. Okay, so we got Donovan cleaning the windows. These guys are almost done. They put in all 3, just 2 more to go. We got this right here. This will be for the vinyl, right, babe?
Yes.
All of this, all these racks will be for the vinyl. Not that top one, so there'll just be 2 because this one's too tall for people. And then all this right here will be for the clothing. Apparel, all this right here will be for the blank apparel. We have all that back here. She's putting together this crate. I'm putting together these things down here. They'll have like little green, what are those called, like buckets that'll slide in there for you guys. We still don't know what we're gonna do right here. We're probably gonna have like a little entertainment area. You see right there, we have some chairs and a little table. So we want kind of like a chill area. So if you come into the store, you have kids, they can kind of go and watch TV or something like that. What else? Oh, yeah, I showed you guys all our bulk back here. But this right here, this is just the workplace. Everything back here is just a workplace, so it really doesn't matter if people see that. As you see, the green wall looks amazing. Can't wait till we get the LEDs. The LEDs up here are gonna look great. A little project that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint all the caps, all these caps. I'm gonna paint all those green just to kind of bring the store to life a little bit. I painted this thing in the middle, this pipe. It's weird. I painted that pipe white. I'm gonna put that back and that one over there. I'm just gonna make sure that Joanne isn't sending anybody else. So I gotta put together these things, just giving you guys a little update. And yeah, we'll show you guys the final product. Yep, Shelly got the red one. Okay, so here we go. We are all set. We finally have, okay guys, here we go. We're all set. We have everything hooked up. It's all lined up. So this entire wall will be for all the merchandise, clothing and stuff like that. We're gonna put the counter in the middle, kind of have like a lounge cool area over there. It's gonna be real fun over there. And then sort of the kind of same area right here. Oh, Donovan did a really good job cleaning the glass. I like it, I like it. I gotta finish the counter, put these things over here. And so we have so much furniture, so it's really gonna fill all this area right here. We don't know what we're gonna put in the area. Wifey finished the cubbyhole things right there. So those will go under that. And everything will finally look full. We got the one basket. We don't know what we're gonna put there, but everything is even all the way across. We thank him so much. If you guys need anything fixed on your house or any type of thing, they can do it. He did it really fast, so I'll definitely I'll get the information from Shelly. But yeah, these things are on here too. These are, see, they're screwed into the wall and it gives it a little depth. Give it that, that look. I'm gonna do all these right now. Go ahead and do all these green, just to kind of add some more color to the place. Just wanna add as much color as possible, as much green, little splashes of green. We're gonna try to run LEDs through everything, green LEDs, so that's that, guys. Can't wait.